Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to put or create timestamps on your YouTube video using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for youtube.com. And now, once you've done that, you want to open your or watch your video, okay? So once you've clicked on your video, you can see the edit video option right here. You just want to click on that. And before you do this, you need to make sure that you know the different parts of your video, okay? And here at the description box, I want you to do is to type the timestamps. So 000 is very important. So just want to put intro and then other time, just go ahead. Sorry. So in 15 seconds, just gonna put um start of the tutorial. Okay, this is just an example, okay? 158. I'm sorry, that's my bad. 58. Just gonna put end of the tutorial. So once you are done with typing the timestamps, just go ahead and click on save. And now once you go back to your video, so when you scroll down here at your um description, oh, I made this wrong. You need to make sure that you put a space, okay? So now just go ahead and, for example, here at the start of the tutorial, you want to click on the 15 seconds. So now you can see that the video jumped to 15 seconds. So if I click on 00, you can see that the video jumped back to my introduction. So that is how you create or make a timestamps on your YouTube video using your computer. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.